Hi everyone, I'm Pushpa from Kannur in Kerala, and I happened to do this course on Hooponopono from Shweta. And first of all, let me thank you, Shweta ji, for such a wonderful session. And it was truly releasing. A lot of cobwebs flew out of my head, and the cleansing which happened was miraculous. Every day, for these 5 days, it was truly a fantastic experience, and I definitely advise everyone to do this course at least once to get rid of a lot of your fears and phobias and a lot of unnecessary clutter in your mind, which I feel all of us carry around. And thank you so much once again, Shweta ji. And I would love to be a part of all your future programs, especially the Hooponopono one, which I will be doing again with you. Thank you once again.